Hello and welcome, friends. Welcome to another episode where I review an interesting mechanical pen for school use. It's the beginning of the September. I'm at a resort at the seaside on the Black Sea coast, and I thought to myself that I should do some episodes because in Romania the school has started, and I think that this mechanical pencil is a nice buy for school use. Let me tell you first what I paid for it. So I bought it from Lidl, which is a German retailer in Romania, and I paid for it 9.99 lei, the equivalent of 2.01 euros or 2.15 US dollars. And I see a branding here, CARIOCA, and I've done a review of CARIOCA writing instrument, and I remember that this is an Italian brand. We'll see what is written on the pack. New innovative writing system, CARIOCA. It uses those LEDs 0.7 millimeters. This is a mechanical pencil. It comes in vivid colors, but I've chosen this light green color, and it comes with the writing instrument and also this little box which contains 20 pieces of HB 0.7 millimeters. The length of them is 60 millimeters or 6 centimeters. Automatic LED drop, and this is the translation. Discesa de la mina automatica, mina quea discende automaticamente, descende automaticamente de la mine. This is a QR code, and probably I will leave a link to the site of this QR code. And on the back we have mechanical pencil, some translations in different language, automatic LED drop, antibacterial soft grip. It probably refers to this grip section over here. Adopt your municipality disposal system. Carta, so the cardboard you should recycled, and this part which is plastic. QR code. This interesting, it is made in China, but it is made for CARIOCA Settimo Torinese in Torino, Italy. It has also a distributor in Spain and a distributor in Greece. And follow us, carioca.com. It has also a Facebook page, a YouTube channel, and probably this is an Instagram account. And interesting, probably this contains a code, and I'm pretty sure that in this code it should say the year of manufacturing, probably 2022 or even 2023. I'm not so sure. I can't interpret this serial number. Okay, without further delay, guys, let me open this. It should open quite easy because it has this part of plastic right at the top. It's quite well wrapped, but I think I will open it. I will push on the product. I hope I won't ruin it. I've managed to clear a hole right over here, and it should be quite easy to open. So I will take the box full of LEDs and I will put it here. And now let me show you the writing instrument. Okay, this is it. Okay, this is it. Let me take out the pack. And it's simple. It's made out of plastic. This is a shiny plastic, and this has a grip to it. It's like rubber. It gives quite good grip over here. Interesting enough, we have some spirals here that are designed to keep you in this position. Some people even chose to hold it like this. Here we have painted CARIOCA 0.7 millimeters, and this is it. We'll see if we have some mines. Yes, it has one mine over here, and I believe that when you're out of mines, you could put them in this hole over here. We will test it in a minute. So before I will do something with it, let me take out those pens over here. I want to show you how it writes. I have here my notepad, and let's see, probably right here I can write with it. So I will give a little zoom. This is a CARIOCA mechanical pencil. It uses 0.7 millimeters leads, so it writes quite nice. Let me zoom a little bit more for you guys to see better. So CARIOCA mechanical pencil, it had the price of 9.99 lays, which means around 2 euros or 2.15 US dollars. So quite an affordable writing instrument. Being a mechanical pencil, we will talk about the quick brown fox, and the other characteristics you will discover for yourself. So let me write here. So let me change a little bit the angle of the camera. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. As you can see, it writes quite thick because it uses 0.7 millimeters leads. I believe that they are also available with a narrower lead of 0.5 millimeters, but it is quite a nice and practical instrument. I will leave its dimensions on the screen, guys. And yes, I wanted to show you the fact that it doesn't have a rubber. Some of the models have a rubber right over here. So we will test it to see if we can refill the metal. We can refill it with a mine. I am pushing on this, and I am okay. Let me see if we have another reserve. No, so not another reserve. I will take one from here. Let me see how it opens. It opens like this. It has a clever mechanism on over releasing. Let me see the sorry about this. Interesting enough, the initial lead mine is longer than the refill one. Let me put it here, and I will take a refill mine and I will insert it in this hole. I am closing this cap, and now let's see if, yes, you can see it right over here, and it writes. So guys, this was the review of this mechanical pencil. I hope you find it interesting. I hope you find it in your country. This is quite an affordable writing instrument and a practical one. Of course, if you have a rubber, you can take notes, but if you want to have a more elegant writing instrument, you can use a fountain pen. But I'm always fascinated by the mechanical pencils, and as you can see, they are quite affordable. This is a relatively affordable writing instrument, although it's made in China. It is available on the European market, and this was its review, guys. In a few days I will be returning home from the seaside, and I will return to reviewing vintage fountain pens, but also new and exciting writing instruments. Thank you for your time. Have a wonderful day, and God bless you all, my dear friends. Bye bye.